Good evening, jury, and good evening, friends. It's a very august gathering because I feel like I am back in the academy since I have a lot of my service mates here and a lot of things I learned which I cannot learn in 10 conferences I have got in these 2 hours because I got so many ideas to work on. Thanks a lot for inviting. So I'll just focus my district, which is Sabarkantha in the North Gujarat, bordering Rajasthan, just below Udaipur on the Ahmedabad-Udaipur National Highway. It is now bifurcated. It has total 13 blocks, 24 lakh population, 5 tribal talukas. It's a BRGF district. It's a high priority district. So we have all the special characteristics needed for an IAS officer. So, sir. So one of the highlights I would say is that we created India's first 100% Wi-Fi tribal taluka. Since the other session we had wireless for the communities, here we use the free spectrum in the 5.10 and 2.4 gigahertz. I'll just say why everyone will agree, but here is the statistics to make it official, that for every 10% increase in broadband connection, there is a 1.38% increase in GDP. So that should be an official reason for us to get into this arena. And this is a small thing which depicts the impact of various connectivity, fixed, mobile, internet, broadband, and you can see broadband has the highest impact. And this is a World Bank study, and India has the internet penetration of only 12.6%, whereas the world is having 3 times more. So there are 3 ways to take broadband, and we took the beach wala rasta, jo digital setu hai. One is the satellite, which is very costly and running into crores. NOFN, you and I can guess when it is going to come fully in all places. So we need an interim solution until NOFN comes, and also for the last mile connectivity, we still need wireless. So we are putting the last step first, I would say. So this model has been recommended by IIT Kanpur in 2004 for rural areas, and it has been tested in so many places, and a hub and spoke model. These are basically, we established the towers. The district panchayat, Sabarkantha district panchayat is the only district panchayat in the country who is in the business of telecom service, I would say. Because we have established our towers, and the village level towers are established by the Gram Panchayat themselves from their own funds. And in 7 village panchayats, self-help groups have invested the money, and in return we are going to give them 10% revenue share of the turnover, whatever is internet sales is happening in their area. So 32 villages of the Khed Brahma Taluka have been covered, and 2 months ago the project was dedicated by our Honorable CM. And for 1 month we have kept internet free for everyone. Of course, we have made due diligence in terms of registration and all those TRAI regulations. And after that, we started charging, and we have made so far 45,000 turnover in total, and 20% share. First check we will be receiving next week, out of which 10% will be divided among the Gram Panchayats. And the rest 10% will be with the district panchayat, which will be used for maintenance and AMC like charges by the district. So I will not go into the other things. And this next project is a Swasth Samvedana Sena. It is basically technically support is provided by UNICEF Gujarat, and change in behavior of the people to have one-to-one engagement using a tablet device, 32 GB of content across the life cycle has been divided with 58 chapters, and audio, video, and presentations which are given with to the health workers. In the first stage, 100 tablets have been deployed in 1 taluka, and pilot is going on. Simultaneously, we are expanding in other 2 talukas also. And this is the inauguration. And after the application, there is also option for quiz. So we'll be able to see the impact that has been, or the learning that has been done by the health worker. We also intend to track the mothers using their ID and all in the future. Yes, see, screenshot. 90% local language. And this is the right now first pilot phase. We are in 11,000. This is the data of beneficiaries. The other project is Mamta Setu, where there is a single helpline number where anybody can call, and the call will be routed to all PHC medical officers who will be allotted duties and timings randomly. And it's like a cloud-based call center where we are using the time of our existing doctors for counseling and guidance. And before Mamta Setu, when a person needs to talk to a qualified person, it becomes difficult, and we wanted to give a helpline without incurring much cost. Now all the costs are routed, and at the district level, all the calls are recorded for quality monitoring, and we also frequently check it ourselves, and doctors also are guided to answer properly. most of the time we get questions about the scheme details, and sometimes for some illness also. And so far we have received 1,610 calls in the past 9 months. Sir, mobile inspection, which is, we are covering all works, 100% of all works, and 35,000 inspections have been done in 1 year. And this is available on this cycle. And this Coach Award winner. And so in Gujarat 2012 election, a social media plan I proposed long before social media came into the government election process. And it was also adopted as best practice. There are other projects which I have not listed due to timing and other constraints. Thank you.